Detoxify this monster so we can see what we're up against here.
Okay.
Oh, milk my duds! It's Wreck-It Ralph!
Yeah? Who are you, the guy that makes the donuts?
Please, no.
I'm Mr. Ring-a-Ding, I make your heart bells sing. Please don't make me laugh, just take my autograph. Now take my jokes, my lovely folks, cause I know just one thing. For I am he, oh yes, I'm Mr. Ring-a-Ding.
I see you're a fan of pink.
Salmon, that's obviously Sam. What are you doing here?
Look, your candiness, this is just a big misunderstanding. Just get me out of this cupcake, I'll get my medal, and I'll be out of your way.
Your medal?
Don't make me laugh.
Bad guys don't win medals.
Well, this one did. I earned it over in Hero's Duty.
You game jumped? Ralph, you're not going turbo, are you?
What? No.
Because if you think you can come in here to my kingdom and take over my game, you've got another thing coming.
Easy, your puffiness. It's not my fault one of your children of the candy corn stole my medal.
Children of the candy corn? Who? The glitch. The coin she used to buy her way into the race, that was your medal?
She did what? I need that back.
Well, I'm afraid I can't help you. It's gone, you know. It's nothing but code now. And it'll stay that way until someone wins the cup at the end of the race.
Well, maybe I'll just have to have a little talk with the winner then.
Is that a threat I smell? You are beyond the halitosis you so obviously suffer from.
Listen, Nelly Wafer, I'm not leaving without my medal.
Yes, you are. Winchell, Duncan, get him out of that cupcake and on the first train back home. And if I ever see you here again, Wreck-It Ralph, I'll lock you in my fungeon.
Fungeon?
Fun dungeon. You know, it's a play on words. It's a fun... Never mind. Now, I've got a glitch to deal with thanks to you. Goodbye, Wreck-It Ralph. It hasn't been a pleasure.
This thing's hard as a rock.
I can see that. Get the tools.
What tools?
Quiet, you.
Ow! What? No!
Take it easy, big boy.
Stay away from me!
He's getting away.
Hey! Quick, call out the devil dogs.
Chocolate. I hate chocolate. Oh.